Hello, in this video I want to show you how to adjust volume limit mode on a LG Smart TV. To do this, first you will need to click on the gear icon on your remote. Then select the gear icon in the top left corner of the screen. Scroll down to the general settings and then go for the family settings. Inside you'll be able to find the volume limit mode that we can select and enable or disable it. If it asks you for the pin should be 4x0 by default. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.